Don't sell your heart, don't sing. We're not meant to be. Run, baby, run. Forever we'll be. Run, baby, run. Don't ever look back. They'll tear us apart if you give them the chance. Don't sell your heart, don't sing. We're not meant to be. Run, baby, run. Forever we'll be. You and me. You and me. You and me. Hey now, I can take another day. There's a feeling in there and I can find the words to say. Chaos in the building where we stay. We're living in a house that we can't wait to set aflame. Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Hey now, hey now, hey now. And I ain't never seen my neighbors from the top floor, but judging from the car they drive, I know they not poor. And I could be mistaken because I'm not sure, but I got this little hunch they the ones calling the cops 4 times last week, saying I'm disturbing the peace, cause I was playing my music and they heard some loud screams. So my neighbor, the cop, who I suspect of beating his wife, had to tell me to stop. And I wish I had the guts to tell him about the noise from his apartment, but that's the business that I don't get involved with. So I look the other way, trying to climb higher, cause if I reach the top, I think I could've stayed by. Burn it down. Hey now, hey now, hey now. Burn it down. Burn it down. Hey now, hey now, hey now. I wonder what they're doing tonight. I wonder if they're free. I think I hear my neighbors fighting through the thin walls. So what am I to do with tonight? How can I get free? I'm bouncing on the walls like I'm a human pinball. I'm bouncing on the walls. Burn it down.
Yeah, I sit by my window, see this kid on the corner hustle the belt wrapped around his knuckles, ready to swing the buckle. I'm thinking, why they fighting each other? They're in the same school, probably live next to each other under the same roof. I bet they're from my building, yeah, I bet that kid's dad's the drunk I pass on my way up the stairs, real sad. I'm sure they blame him for the tags in the hallway, the robberies, not seeing the reason he's outside all day, like they came from nowhere with the bad intentions. They grew up in this place, we made them who they are. I can see they so scared to use some attention. This house can be a maze without a guiding star.